crispy sushi rice. I'm making mine with spicy tuna. You have got to try Japanese mayo.
QP. It's a little more tangy and a little more sweet.
SRIRACHA, or as I call it, my spicy best friend.
Come through, come through. Come to, come to.
Sushi grade tuna? The best way to make sure you're getting the best is to get to know your fishmonger. Make them your best friend. The trick? Short grain sushi rice. Extra sticky. Holds together like magic. Creamy avocado. Spicy tuna. All the flavors and all the textures.